Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you a couple things that I got for Christmas. If you're really into the whole techie thing and you want to know all the info, this might not be the video. But if you just got like a new iPhone or you just got the new MacBook and you want to just watch one of them opening videos because you're excited, this is the video for you. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, so I'm going to start out with my phone. This is the box. I got the iPhone 12 Pro. I really suck at this. I got it in silver and I got, oh, I see it. I got it in silver and I have the 256 gigabytes. Now, I did not trust myself to open this box on camera, so I did already get my screen protector on in my case. But when you open it, this is how it looks. I got mine sent to me. I ordered mine on, I believe it was the 27th, and I did not receive my phone until December like 30th. It was down bad. I was waiting for a while. So it has the I don't even know if you guys can see that, but it comes with the USB to the USB-C charger, and here is the phone right here in all of her glory. I'm gonna take a picture. I'm going to take a video of me right now and insert so you can see the quality. I'm going to do it with it. Can you guys see that? Oh, yeah, I need to see all that. But you guys can see yourself. Oh, wait. It's supposed to be showing me. Hold on. Rookie. Okay, I hope I don't look too stupid. But you can see right now the quality between my camera, because this is a Canon EOS Rebel T7i. And this is my iPhone. I'm gonna flip the camera around, so hold on. I will say though, with this camera, you can see a little too much. It's like you can see every little thing. It's kind of creepy. But I do love this phone. I had the XR before this, the yellow XR. I will say that the phone is a thinner phone. I had an OtterBox before this, and I still do have an OtterBox, but even the OtterBox is sleeker. It's slimmer. But that's honestly the main difference other than the camera quality. So, love that. I got this for my birthday. I got my phone for my birthday. All this stuff was given to me. This is for my birthday. My birthday was December 7th, and it finally just got to me. So, there's that. Next, I'm just going to show you guys my watch real quick. I did get the Nike Apple Watch. Which one is this? It says SE Space Gray Aluminum Case 40 millimeters. It's the newest one, but it's the Nike SE one. I don't see any name or number. It just says Apple Watch SE 40 mm. Maybe that's the name. Maybe I'm crazy. I don't know. This is it right here. This is her in all her glory. She does have a case on there. If you want to know, like, if you guys want like if you guys want an accessories video, let me know because I can do that. I've been pretty obsessed. But I just got this kind of like cool. It's like a Velcro-y material. It is Velcro. And I got the 40 millimeter face. I prefer a smaller watch. And I had the first Apple Watch before this, like the first one ever. So she was real old, real down bad. She had scratches on her. Like she needed to be put to rest. So I finally got a new one. And probably what you guys are all here for, I did get a new MacBook. I'm going to show you guys my old one first. This is her. She got me through a lot of years. I believe this is a 2013 or 15. I'll let you guys know somewhere on screen right now. Real quick, I know you guys don't care about this one, but I hope you guys can see that she is cracked. Oh gosh, wait, hold on. She has a big crack right here, and it goes right here, and then there's even more cracks right here. I don't even know if you guys can see all that, but it was time nonetheless. I've only opened my MacBook to see, just to make sure it wasn't cracked or anything, because it did come in the mail as well. This was also for Christmas. So this is her. I did get the new MacBook Pro. Let's see if I can tell you any more information. I got the 13-inch MacBook Pro, 16 gigabytes memory, and 1 terabyte SSD, whatever that means. Let's see, the only thing that I see that looks interesting. So let's open this up. I'm so excited. I got the darker one. I think it's called Space Gray. I don't know why. I have no rhyme or reason. I just got that color. So you can tell I kind of makeshift this. It's a little raggedy. Let me see if I can get you guys a little closer. So I'm going to, oh, this is kind of scary. I don't know how I did this. Okay. So of course right here we have the computer itself. I already got my fingerprints on the little Apple. But and comes with it is a manual, the charger box, if I can get this out with my nails, the box for the charger, and the cord. This is a USB and not a USB, so I will have to get an adapter for it. One thing I do know that's kind of like techie-ish, not really techie, but I do know, like with my box, with my phone, I didn't get a box, but Apple is trying to reduce their carbon footprint, so that's why you don't get like the extra headphones in the box, and I honestly don't. I think it's a good idea because I don't use it. It's probably just gonna go to waste anyways. And if you really want all that, you can probably find one for cheaper. So I'm just going to kind of compare these two. This is a 13-inch as well, but it just looks, it's sleeker. It's way more compact. Can you see that? You can definitely see that the new one is smaller, and it's not as thick at all. You can see like this is like raised, and this one's like small. I know I sound dumb, but just trying to help you out. Help me help you. Okay, so we're gonna. I'm gonna start setting this up while I talk to you guys real quick. I'm gonna start. I want to purchase. What am I talking about?
The main language. Press the return key.
This feels weird. Press the return? What? I'm confused. Okay, but I want to purchase Final Cut Pro. So I plan on doing that. And the only other download that I need is Respondus. If you're in school, you might have Respondus, so teachers.
Contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver.
But yeah, you might have Respondus if you're like in school and stuff. I know my school requires Respondus for certain classes. I'm trying to set her up to Wi-Fi. I'm gonna hook her up and I'll show you guys when she's done. I got a protector. No, I have a screen protector, but what is this? A case. So I got this one off Amazon. I'm just going, oh, I want you guys to see. It came with these pieces. It came with the thing for the keyboard, and it has two. It has one that has a piece for the touch piece, the touch ID thing. You know what I'm talking about? The little strip thing. And it has one that comes without it. So just in case, like if your computer fits this and it doesn't have the new touch bar thing. So I'm literally just gonna sit this in here. Hopefully this is the correct way. And then we're gonna put her on top. Oh, I like how you can still see the apple through it. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I really like that. Let me hold her the right way. I love it. I was gonna do the composition book one, but I changed my mind. And this has all the vents open so she can breathe and do whatever she needs to do. So, how do I turn it off? Anyways, let's open this. Okay, I need this one. Do I just literally just put it on there? Okay. I'm confused. It's on there, I guess. They know I could just pull this off, right? Is it supposed to be like stuck on there? Maybe I should close it a little bit, let it cook? But if I... Okay, I just want to move. Maybe... Can y'all let me know, is that supposed to be like that or is it supposed to like stick onto it? I think it'll work though, but I love it. Oh my gosh. So we transfer it, get her a cute little screen going on. And alright, so maybe it's like an hour later. I decided to do this as like a new MacBook. I didn't really have much of my old one that I really needed on this one. I just have some pictures, but I can put it like on the cloud or whatever. So I'm gonna show you guys how I customized it. I'm not too sure about my screensaver yet. Ignore my charger and stuff back here. But you guys see that real good. So I'm just gonna show you a couple of my customizations. I made this stuff like this color up here. I minimized this little dock right here, just have the things I'm mainly gonna use. I made Google Chrome my main little hub thing, and I customized my background. Okay, so look, you see this background, right? I just have my little logo here, and then I have my favorite quote. I don't know why no available windows is saying that, but yeah, so I have that. That's option 1, and this is option 2. I customized my Google like this. So if you guys like this one, comment 2, but if you like this one, comment 1, and whatever wins is what I will post. I'm kind of feeling let's see how it would look. Oh, it's in my downloads. How do I go to my downloads? Here we go. Girl, we're gonna add it to photos because I know how to do it for my photos. I don't know how to do it from anywhere else. Okay. Okay, now let's look. I like that. Okay, if you guys like the other one, let me know, but I think I'm gonna leave it like this. But that's really all the customization I did. This is, by the way, my my phone, my screen, my phone. But yeah, those are literally all my devices. My iPad's pretty new too. If you guys want a video on this, I can. This is her. She needs a new screen oh god, she needs a new screen protector, but this is her as well. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I know I enjoy these videos, so if you guys want to do like an accessories video, because I do want to get a couple more accessories, because you know I have my my case and stuff, which I absolutely love. I will link this down below. It will be in my Amazon store though. And then this is just an OtterBox case, and I got this one off Amazon, so I'll add all this stuff to my Amazon store that I can find. Thank you guys for watching so much. I really appreciate you guys. So you guys are amazing. And keep deep conditioning, and I'll see you guys next time. Toodles.